turkey leg, turkey drumstick, turkey drumstick. Turkey drumstick is washed and ready to slice. Everything is cleaned and washed, ready to split for masala. Drumstick, turkey drumstick. The turkey drumstick is all slit, so the masala can go inside, get inside and marinate it. And marination, so all the masalas can go inside the meat. All the pieces are slit. Now they're ready to marinate. Making turkey drumstick. Let's go to Stanley's kitchen. How to make turkey drumstick. For the rest, we got to follow on Stanley's kitchen on YouTube. 1 whole bulb of garlic. 2 inch of ginger sliced with the skin on. Half slice of onion. 15 green chilies. Handful of cilantro. And put in the roots. Paste is ready for turkey drumstick. The paste is ready. 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Half tablespoon of turmeric powder. 2 tablespoons of black pepper powder. 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. 1 tablespoon of garam masala or meat tenderizer masala. Salt to taste. Mix it. Adding the drumstick. Marinate it. All the turkey drumstick is marinated, and I'm going to marinate for 24 hours in the fridge. I'm going to leave it in the fridge and we'll come back. In the fridge, turkey drumstick is marinating for 24 hours. 24 hours marinated. Now it's ready to bake. Tandoori bake. I'm going to rack it. Adding all the juices, all the marinated water, marinated juice. Adding some olive oil. Ready to go in the oven, 375 degrees, until turkey tandoori leg is cooked. Adding some hot water so it can cook. Closing the lid, let it cook. Pre-checking the turkey drumstick, tandoori turkey drumstick. Looking good. Time to turn it in. Turning the other side. Ready to take it out. Turkey tandoori drumstick. For the recipe, go to Sanley's Kitchen on YouTube. How to make turkey tandoori drumstick. Look at this. Take a piece. Look at this drumstick. Tastes so good. Bang bang.